Are you interested in selling coffee or signing up reps in your coffee business? If so, then you need the hottest coffee marketing system. It works with any company. You can create these very cool and awesome capture pages that look super high end. Very expensive looking pages that get action. You can actually build entire funnel systems just for your coffee business. Autoresponders included, and the pages even replicate for your entire team. But here's the cool part, you can also do motion video backgrounds that really grab people's attention. There's no technical skills needed. Half of these pages are actually even already built for you. But imagine when someone goes to your page and sees coffee being poured in a cup just like that. You want to talk about results? This page versus the page that your company gave you? If you need signups and sales, you definitely need this marketing system, and so does everyone on your team. But you can actually get hot leads too. Generic biz op, women only, and weight loss leads are available in the system. Take a look at it today.